I cannot, in good conscience, let the remarks made earlier by our colleague, Senator Francis Pangilinan, during the Blue Ribbon Committee pass without rebuttal. His comments, while not naming us directly, were laced with insinuations, clearly aimed at me and former Senator Bong Revilla, and the legal ordeals I have already faced. With due respect, such statements are not only unfair, they are malicious and utterly uncalled for. Mr. President, let me put on record. Hinarap ko po ang mga kasong isinampa sa akin. Dumaan ako sa mahabang panahon ng paglilitis, pagkakakulong, at pati na ang mabigat na stigma na idinulot nito. Hindi lamang sa akin, kundi maging sa mga miyembro ng aking pamilya na taon ding nagtiis ng pangungutya, pangmamaliit, at panghusga. Sa huli, napatunayan na walang sapat na batayan ang mga ipinukol sa akin na mga akusasyon. Hindi ko kailanman nanaisin na pagdaanan nito ng sino man sa aking mga kasamahan dito ngayon. Mr. President, the courts have spoken with finality. To cast doubt on these decisions is not only an insult to me personally, but a dangerous affront to the judiciary. It undermines the very foundation of our justice system and erodes public trust in due process. Ginoong Pangulo, hindi ako tutol sa sinasagawang pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Ngunit, hindi ko pahihintulutan na ang kasalukuyang issue ay gamitin upang idikit muli sa akin ang mga maling paratang at sadyang impluwensyahan ang opinyon ng publiko. Ang mga kasong may kinalaman sa PDAF ay naresolba na ng korte matapos ang masusing proseso ng batas. To insinuate otherwise is nothing less than an attempt to rewrite history and to malign the integrity of the judicial process. I urge my colleagues to exercise prudence, fairness, and much of all, respect. I too deserve to be heard and to defend myself, whether in this august chamber or before any court of law. I am more than ready to dismantle the baseless lies being peddled in the Blue Ribbon Committee, come hell or high water. And I will not allow discredited narratives to be weaponized for political grandstanding. I will not allow my honor, hard-earned and vindicated by the courts, to be sullied by careless remarks. And I hope the committee, the Blue Ribbon Committee, will expunge from the record such malicious and unwarranted remarks that serve no purpose but to malign and mislead. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you.